Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 4x to the power of 3. This one we have number 1. Because we don't have number 4 and number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over number 4. So the integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.